cannot let it go. Oh, the Lord has done. Babe, is it not ready yet? Cannot let it go. What the Lord has done for me, I cannot tell it all. Who's opening to my eyes? My itching. I cannot. Yeah. Wait, oh. I can see. 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 Yeah? Who are you?
Young man.
Freeze.
Wale, I'm sorry, yo. Wale, I actually got married to you as a blind man so that I can be cheating freely. But...
Babe, what are you doing?
Hey, calm down. She cannot hear you, just that she cannot see you.
It's quite unfortunate that you have to die. Eh? All these things that you have will now belong to me. Eh? Now the plan has changed. You have to go, you know? You have to go. That's just it. I'm sorry, it's not my fault. You know, you actually caused this.
You saw everything. That exactly is the disaster that is about to befall you. And I cannot allow a kind-hearted young man like you to fall victim. That is exactly why I have come here to rescue you.
Babe!
I'm coming.
Babe!
I'm coming. Babe? I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's
I
my
brought you a drink.
Thank you.
Let me keep this for you.
Okay.
Let me keep it.
What took you so long?
You know, I was trying to arrange other things.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Did you get a drink for yourself?
I'm fine. You know, I've been drinking since.
I see. I know. I feel like you've been working too much and you've been staying in the kitchen for so long. Why don't you just take a sip?
Don't worry, drink. I brought it for you.
You know I'm carrying us back now. Take a sip from it.
Okay. I have taken a sip from it.
Are you sure you did?
Of course. Drink.
Take a sip from it, sir.
I have. You don't trust me?
I trust you.
Okay, I should take another one.
Yes.
Okay.
So you did that,
Yes, I did.
It was refreshing.
So refreshing. Drink up.
As a matter of fact, you didn't take anything. And why did you poison my drink? No, tell me.
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? Why did you poison my drink? I told you to take a sip. You didn't take. Why did you poison my drink?
How many is this?
can go ahead and ask your 2 fucking fingers. Why did you poison my drink?
I did not though. Why would I add something to your drink? I thought you were joking. Please. You know what? We should be celebrating that you have finally regained your sight. I'm so happy. Finally. I'm so happy. Like we should be celebrating. Why are you holding it? I don't understand.
We should celebrate.
Yes.
Let's celebrate by you drinking this. I'm being serious.
Can you stop this?
Stop what? I said let's celebrate by you drinking this. See, you are happy that I can regain my sight and I can.
Let me go in. Let me bring wine.
You see, the love is in the sharing. You understand? We have to share this. So we start by you taking out of this. Then I would know you are happy for me saying regaining my sight.
At first, I thought you were joking. Now I can see that you are very serious. Please stop. Let me go in. Bring, your favorite wine. We'll celebrate.
Can you see the way you are talking and you are happy with it? Let's go in and bring your favorite wine. I said drink from this.
Is this a joke or what?
Is this a joke or what? Does it look like I'm playing? No, answer me. Does it look like I am playing?
Come on, be serious for once now.
Oh, I'm a joke now. Now answer me and answer me correctly. What did you add to my drink?
I did not add anything.
What's wrong with you? Are you good?
Pip. What's going on?
Are you good?
Did you...
Now answer this question correctly. What did you add to my drink and why did you add something to my drink?
I did not add anything. No. Hey! Hey! Babe, something is...
Don't let me ask you.
Something is touching me.
What did you add to my drink and why did you add something to my drink?
Something is touching me and you're asking me questions.
Okay, for information, it will keep touching you until you answer me. What did you, what did you add to my drink and why did you add something to my drink?
Baby, I'm sorry. Sorry. How should I even start? Where should I start from? Okay. Normally. Hey.
I'll give you the count of 3. 1,
Okay.
2.
Come. Okay, I will say it. Okay. I actually...
3.
Okay. Okay, I will talk. I'm sorry. I came into this relationship because of your money, so that...
Oh, you came into this relationship because of my money.
Please tell me.
That is understandable. I've been giving you this money all this while. I've been doing everything I can within my powers. Now, why do you now want to take my own life? Make me understand.
The thing is, it's not that I want to do it though. It's not that it's intentional, but it's the devil. I'm sorry. Please, can you tell this thing that you're making to, touch me?
Okay, I see it's the devil. And the devil pushed you to the extent that you want to take my own life. Huh? That's the work of the devil, right? But it's all good, no problem. I'm grateful that the devil himself, do you understand, made you do this at the right time. And I'm grateful that my own goodness and good heart had helped me to surpass your evil powers and your evil plans.
It's not like that. If you die now, all your properties will belong to me. I'm sorry. It's the devil. No problem. I never had this plan.
I forgive you. Okay? I forgive you. I know. Yes, I do. In life, you have to forgive people that do you wrong, so that it's like a good example. That
it will never happen again.
Yes, because
it's the first and the last.
It will never happen again. You already said it yourself. It is not going to happen again. Because right now, at this moment, you should do me a favor. Stand up, use the door, and never come back.
It hasn't gotten to that, baby, I already said I'm sorry.
You should stand up, use the door, and never come back again. 1,
okay, come down.
2, 3.
Hey, okay.
And to those of you watching this video right now, I pray for you that as we step into this month of October, may the blessing that follow this month locate you. If you believe in this prayer, share this video and type amen in the comment section, and God will answer your prayer. Thank you. May God bless you. Amen.